ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಮ್ಮೆಯಾದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಹಜ್ ಯಾತ್ರೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಲೇಬೇಕು.
Humanity is the true religion. This was the key message delivered by Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah while addressing Haj pilgrims in Bengaluru. On May 4th, while inaugurating the Haj 2026 flight departure organized by the Karnataka Haj Committee, the Chief Minister urged pilgrims not only to pray for themselves but also for the welfare of the state and its people. He extended his wishes for a safe and comfortable journey to all pilgrims embarking on this spiritual voyage. Highlighting the significance of Hajj, Siddaramaiah noted that it is one of the 5 fundamental pillars of Islam and every Muslim is expected to undertake the pilgrimage at least once in their lifetime. He explained the belief that performing Hajj purifies a person of past sins, making them as pure as a newborn child. Quoting the Quran's message on the value of human life, he emphasized that taking an innocent life is equivalent to killing all of humanity, while saving one life is like saving all of mankind. The Chief Minister called upon pilgrims to undertake the journey with a pure heart and requested them to include prayers for the welfare of the government during their pilgrimage. Stressing broader values, he stated that no religion teaches violence and that humanity must rise above hatred. He underlined that humanity itself is the greatest religion and that those who wish well for others are protected by God. He also urged people to love their own religion while maintaining tolerance towards others. Siddaramaiah further noted that brotherhood, equality and harmony form the core principles of the Constitution. On the policy front, he announced that in the 2026 to 27 state budget, the government plans to construct Haj Bhavans in Kalaburagi and Hubballi to provide improved facilities for pilgrims and their families. He reiterated that the government is placing strong emphasis on the education of minorities. This event marks the formal beginning of the Hajj 2026 journey for Karnataka's pilgrims with a message centered on faith, unity and humanity. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.